Welcome to the channel Naturopathy Cure and Healing. I am Dr. B.K. Jha, DNYS, practicing naturopathy since last 6 years, and I have cured many patients without the help of the medicine. Today I am going to discuss about pneumonia, introduction, symptoms, causes and treatment. First of all, let us consider introduction. Pneumonia is an inflammatory disease of many kinds. This is due to numerous germs which we inhale along with air when we breathe. Some of the germs are killed by the body immune systems, while others remain alive in the system and they give birth to their young ones, called germination. In the pneumonia disease, there is acute inflammation in the lungs. It is one of the most infectious diseases. There are two types of pneumonia, Lobar Pneumonia and Broncho Pneumonia. The disease becomes more dangerous when both the lungs get infected. In that case, it is known as double pneumonia. This disease mostly occurs in winter, that from November to February. In other season, it gets by chance. Corona is also a kind of pneumonia as the germs enter into our body through respiratory organs and attack the organs, lungs. It brings all the symptoms of typhoid, lungs TB, and constriction in lungs, which look like asthma. Symptoms. The pneumonia starts with cough and cold, but with a symptom of sore throat when some sort of pain is there, with throat and bronchia, but we used to take every symptom lightly. The patient feels chill, shivering, difficulty in breathing, and acute pain in the chest. This may be followed by a cough with pinkish sputum, which may later become brownish. The patient often suffers from fever and headache. In more serious cases of pneumonia, the sputum may be of rusty colors. In small children, the disease may cause delirium and convulsions. The temperature may rise to 105 degrees Fahrenheit and pulse rate may increase to 150 beats per minute. A common complication of pneumonia is pleurisy. Note, I have made a separate video of pleurisy and there I have described about introduction, symptoms, cause and treatment. In this video you will find many symptoms which are same as we have with pneumonia. Causes. Pneumonia is caused by several types of germs such as Streptococcus, Stapp-locus and Pneumococcus. At times, certain other viruses are also responsible for the disease. Other causes of pneumonia are fungal infection, irritation by worms inhaling foreign matter, irritant dust or noxious gases. However, the real cause of pneumonia is the toxic condition of the body, especially the lungs and air passages, resulting from wrong feeding and living or say faulty style of living. It is only when the symptom is clogged with toxic matter and the vitality is low that the germs pneumonia attack a person. Treatment. Pneumonia could not be diagnosed in first attempt, though the symptoms show the cause and reason. Sometimes patient himself is responsible as he or she fails to elaborate the symptoms to the concerned doctor. As soon as the symptoms of pneumonia appear, the patient should be covered with warm cloths and should lie down in bed. The patient should take lemon juice with warm water after every half an hour. The quantity should not be more than 1 cup full, as he has to take 6 cups within 3 hours. Wet mud pack should be placed on navel area to melt morbid matter in the abdomen. This will cause perspiration and would give some relief. He should be given enema with warm water. The patient should fast as long as there is fever. He must be given enema twice in morning and in evening. If there is no arrangement of twice enema, one time enema is a must, and that is early in the morning to remove morbid and foreign matter from the body as soon as possible. It is important to mention that I was working with Ojas Nature Cure and Yoga Center in the December 2019 when Corona came in India. There I have observed that those whose body has been cleaned by enema don't fall prey to Corona. The possibility of this having come across Corona patient could not be denied. Thus you can guess the impact of enema in the various kinds of viruses, disease, which keep influencing people from time to time. Twice or thrice a week his body should be covered with wet sheet pad for half an hour to 1 hour. If this is not possible, then he should be given hot bath. The body should be sponged after these treatments. 4 hours later, steam should be given on stomach and back of the patient. If there is no steam, then he should be given fomentation on abdomen and back for 5:3 ratio every day till the life force of the patient enhanced. During this treatment, his shoulders and chest should be covered with cold pack or mud pack. To increase the heat of the body, he should be wrapped wet cloth with woolen sheet on chest which covered two sides of the body. If there is pain in abdomen, he should be given hot and cold fomentation for 7:5 ratio. When fever subsides, the first food should be fruit juice diluted with clean water. It may be of orange, tomato or muskmelon. The next day in the morning, undiluted juice should be given. In the afternoon, some juicy fruit, and in the afternoon, boiled vegetable and salad. After further improvement, the patient should start his natural diet with care. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this video with your friends and family members. Thank you once again.